Hi, and thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings. What do we have here on the workbench, on this messy workbench? Brand new Super Duty headlights. Super Duty headlights that a lot of people say you can't put hideaways in. But what is that? And that kind of looks like a LED HAW Duo by Wicked Warnings. Let me turn them on. Yep, that's an LED HAW Duo. It's the HD taller version, and it's in white. And as you can see, it's in the parking light of the Super Duty headlight. Want to know how? Email us in, info@wickedwarnings.com. We could send you a link to the unlisted video that shows you the back half of this build. Show you how to put them in. I can even do the service for you if you want to ship your lights to me. As you can see here, these lights were shipped in, and we're going to ship them back out now that they're equipped, waterproofed, tested, and strobed. So if you've got some Super Duty headlights and you're not sure how to get those strobe lights working like this in the parking bucket, give us a call, send them our way. Make sure you use the LED HAW Duo, and you will be good to go. Thanks again for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings with the all-new Super Duty strobe light headlights. You got strobes, man? I got strobes, man. Cool strobes, man. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, social media, YouTube, everywhere. wickedwarnings.com. Thanks again for watching.